Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here. And the video I have for you today is a little bit of a lock sport update. I'm just curious to see what everyone's been up to, any progress they've made, anything you'd like to share. I'd love to read it in the comments below. Just really love to interact with you guys more, and depending on how you like this video, hopefully we can do some more. So some more information on some of my personal updates are coming up in just a second. Please stay tuned. So I'd like to first start off by saying congratulations to a couple channels. The first one's going to be Lock Noob. Lock Noob, congratulations again on reaching 15,000 subscribers. That's a really great feat, which I hope to accomplish myself someday. You have a really great channel, and it really shows your hard work's been paying off, and I just really wish you luck in the future, and I cannot wait to see where you'll be a year from now. I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check out Lock Noob's channel. He's a really great guy, and he's really worth checking out. And the second channel I'd like to say big congratulations to is Lockpicking Lawyer. He's recently crossed about 200,000 subscribers. He recently got his 100,000 subscriber silver play button, and that is just such a huge feat. There aren't many lockpicking channels that can say that they have reached the 100,000 subscriber mark. He makes really great videos picking open very hard to open locks, doing great creative destructive entry videos, and he's just a lot of fun to watch, and I'll put a link up to his channel as well. These are both really great channels that really deserve the recognition. And the next thing I'd like to do is just go over some of the things that I'm going to be working on. So what I'm going to be working on this week is I'm going to send out a couple packages. The first package I have is one that's going to be sent out to Lock Noob. So I recently picked my American Lock 5300 series padlock, and Lock Noob checked it out, and he seemed interested that he would want to try picking it. So I offered sending it to him. It's always interesting to see someone open up a lock that you have worked on before. I feel like this one picked harder than the average American lock, and it'll be pretty cool. And while I'm going to be sending him something, he asked if I could pick something up for him that is available to me and not to him in the UK, which is going to be this Federal lock that has a kick adapter. This is a really cool lock that has a shrouded shackle, really thick shackle, and it just feels very solid. And I'm going to be sending this out to him, and that is a really cool lock, and I'm pretty excited to be able to help him out. The next thing I got back is Mark Chapter 13 sent me back this buy lock. This is a lock that we've been borrowing from Lugaroo 21, and I'm going to try to open this up down the road. This is a really cool lock, and I cannot wait to work on it. I'm going to be working on a few product reviews that I haven't had time to work on. I have this jackknife lockpick set, some Z-bar tensioners. I have this clear acrylic dimple lock, which will be pretty cool. And then I have this cheap pick set, which actually does okay. And besides from that, I have another package I'm going to send out, and also I've been going over a new Discord that's been pretty cool. It's the Extraordinary League of Pickers. You may be more familiar with the Discord on Reddit r/lockpicking, but the Extraordinary League of Pickers is less rank focused and it's more fun focused. Both are all about having fun, but this is a new Discord that's worth checking out, and I'll put a link to it in the description below if you'd like to see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sending out a package soon to someone that goes by Speculator on Reddit and on YouTube. He is really great at decoding these combination locks. It's something he's really interested in, and I'm going to send him this one to decode. And he also requested, when I send him this, to send him a couple more locks. But if you want to check out his video on how to decode these locks, I'll put it on the top here, and he does an excellent job, and he really does a great job at explaining it. So Speculator's been trying to get more into American locks lately, so what he wants to do is send me a couple of his American locks that he feels that have been quite difficult, because every lock that you can get can usually come with a version that's easier and a version that's harder. You know, every tolerance is different and every lock is different, and he feels like he may have a harder version of the typical American lock. So what he's requested is I sent him a couple of American locks for him to try out. So I have this carabiner full of American locks here. And I'm going to try to at least pick one on camera right now, find an easy one, and then I'll go through them later, and we will see what I can send him out. And let's see if I can just get one open now. I'm just going to kind of pick a random one here, and let's see what it takes. And another thing that you guys should just check out is really just, you know, try to be more active in the community and try to really just get involved. It's just something that is really rewarding, and I'm just wondering what everyone's been up to. If anyone would like to share anything, again, please leave them in the comments below. If anyone ever wants to exchange some locks or do anything like that, please let me know as well. I'm very easy to reach, and you can reach me at HelpfulLockPicker@gmail.com. And let's see if we can get this lock open. If not this one, we'll get another one open. I just want to try to find at least one lock that's relatively easy for Speculator, and then I'll go through the rest later. So this one has some relatively okay bitting. It's not great. It has, you know, a short key pin that goes here, some long key pins followed by a tall key pin. So this one can put up probably a little bit of a challenge. So I just got to click on 5. Let's see, nothing on 4. A couple clicks on 3. Little click on 2. Multiple clicks on 1. Another click on 2. Nothing on 3. Another click on 4. And let's see, going back. Nothing on 1. Click on 2. 3. Another click on 4. I got a little movement on the core. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what we're stuck on. Another click on 1. A couple clicks on 2. A couple on 3. Another one on 4, and now we have a really deep false set, and let's see where we are stuck on. Probably the pin in the back, I would imagine, which can be quite tough sometimes. Because we're not open. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and kind of lost the false set there. 1, 2, 3, 4, binding up. Got a click. 5. So this one's putting up a good little fight, but let's see. 1, 2, 3. Counter on 1. 2, gave me a false set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counter on 5. Yeah, so this one I feel like ideally I'd probably use a little bit of a deeper hook on. So this one's putting up a good fight. This might not be the one to send over. But we are open. But either way, we got one of these open, and I'm going to go through this stack of locks here, and I'll see what I can send over to Speculator, and that will be a lot of great fun. But either way, guys, I'm just really interested to see what you've been doing and anything you'd like to share. One final thing I'd like to share is I've recently moved my lock studio back from the basement back to upstairs, and I'm just very curious to see what your opinion is. Last time I moved downstairs, one of the feedbacks I got was I had a little bit of an echo and I had to resolve that. At this time I have not done anything to help prevent echoes, and I'm just curious to see how you guys think the audio is and how the lighting is and how everything looks. I hope everything looks great. If you have any feedback, always feel free to leave it, good or bad. I really enjoy trying to improve and just make the best content that I can. But hopefully you guys like this video, and if you would like me to do more about some Locksport updates, trying to see what everyone's up to, sharing what I'm up to, please leave your thoughts in the comments below. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. Just thank you so much for checking this out.